I'm Thomas Smith, and what we see here is the XTool D1 Pro Grade laser cutter. And this is a home laser cutter you can use to do all kinds of cool crafts projects. XTool was kind enough to send this to me to check out, so thank you for that. And today we're going to go ahead and unbox it. And I'm super excited because I've read about this a lot, I've done a lot of research into it, and you can engrave basically with a laser on all kinds of different materials. So I think it's going to be super cool, a great crafts project. Let's go ahead and start to open it up. So I'm going to open the box up here first. Okay, so here's the actual laser cutter in here. Really cool box, actually. We've got this protective piece around. It's quite heavy, so pretty solid. And then we've got this interior box. It looks like some maybe manuals and things. We'll get into that and see what it is. Let's take those out. We've got the foam protecting it here, and then here's the actual pieces of it. So it looks like it comes, some assembly required, I would say here. Let's pop these pieces out. Yeah, we've got these individual components of the laser cutter. Really solid. It looks like we've got our stepper motors on there that are going to be moving this around. This is all metal, maybe aluminum. I'm not sure. Yes, it feels like some kind of aluminum type of metal. We've got the different pieces of it here. Got some cables. Looks like a big beefy power brick. Again, if you're going to run that laser, you're probably going to need quite a lot of power. Doesn't look like setup will be too challenging. We've got some belts and things. It's going to be moving this around. And take all these different pieces out. It's nicely packed in the foam on here, so it's, I think, pretty well protected. I'm going to take all of this out. And this looks like the meatiest part. Let me see over here. Again, we've got another one of those stepper motors for this. So let me get all the pieces. And then what I'm assuming I'm looking at over here, we got a power cord in there. Can't forget that. See if I'm missing any small pieces or components that have gotten stuck in the foam here. No, it looks pretty good. Now I've got this one piece over here. So let me go ahead and open this up. Yeah, so this is the laser itself. Obviously kind of the heart of this device here. I'm gonna open this in a sec. And then we've got another little compartment. I'm not sure what we're looking at in here. It's got some kind of loose pieces in there. Let's see what it is. Maybe it's the screws or things that you need. These look like the protective goggles, pretty important when you're working with a laser. Yeah, this looks like all the little screws and washers and components and stuff to hold it all together. So definitely going to require some work to put this together, but it doesn't look terrible. Looks like it should be fairly straightforward. So I'll put that off to the side. Now I'm excited to see what the actual laser piece of this is like. Let's go ahead and see what's inside of this bag. We've got these anti-static bags, so I'll touch a metal surface discharge first before I take this out. Yep, and then here's the actual laser, class 4 laser, it looks like it says. Yeah, probably pretty powerful we've got on the bottom here. Yeah, very excited to try this out. This is going to actually be doing that cutting or engraving process on there. Yeah, these are the safety goggles and all the different components. So yeah, super excited. Thanks again to XTool for sending this along. Oh, we've got some pieces living inside of other pieces in here that are in foam. Let's take that out. Yeah, looks like really nicely machined, high quality components. Looking forward to assembling all of that and seeing how this ultimately works on here. So thanks again to XTool for sending me this laser cutter to test out, and I'm very excited to try it.